So this is going to be a quick and simple SPSS video which demonstrates how to average values across variable columns. Now, perhaps maybe you clicked here by accident, or maybe you were looking for something else. Let me just explain what we're going to hope to achieve. We want to take the values from variable A, the values from variable B, and the values from variable C, and get an average for those values if they were summed together. So all of the values of variable A, all of the values of variable B, all of the values of variable C, all the observation values, we want to combine them and then get a mean as it relates to the sum of the three variable columns. Now, as always, all code related to this video's exercise can be found in the video description below, along with the associated data file, which is structured in CSV format. Now, I've gone ahead and put some value labels on our data, and you can do the same if you'd like. Each instance of 1 is going to be yes, each instance of 2 is going to be no, and each instance of 3 is going to be maybe so. Now, here is the syntax which will allow you to achieve the functionality. First, we're going to do compute CatSum. We're going to create a new variable, CatSum, and it's going to be equals mean function VarA, VarB, VarC. And these are the names of our variables, VarA, VarB, and VarC, period, and then execute, period. So let's run this bit of code here. And what this does is this gives us the mean of each row observation. So 1 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 3 is 1.67. And that goes for each row. We're just taking these values and deriving the mean of each. So 2 plus 1 divided by 3, because there's 3 values. Now we need to actually get the mean of all 3 variables summed together. So what that is it's descriptives variables equals CatSum, because we want to refer to this particular variable here, / statistics equals mean space STDEV, period. And if we run that code, we come to this output. And this value here is what we're interested in, the mean value, which is 1.9667. And that is our mean. So ignore the n, because there's actually 30 observations that we're utilizing to derive this mean, not just the 10 from CatSum, but the actual 30, 10 from VarA, 10 from VarB, 10 from VarC. And from that, it provides us with this mean value, 1.9667. So that's where we're going to leave off for today. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any questions, maybe leave a comment so we can help one another out. We're trying to get this message out to as many users as possible, so best of luck in your research. Thanks for stopping by, and until next time, take care.